The purpose of today's press conference is to present the chronology of events concerning the eligibility of these 7 players and to inform the public of FAM's current position as well as the steps we have taken in response to FIFA's disciplinary proceedings. We believe in transparency and accountability. It is important that everyone understands the facts as they occurred, the actual sequence of events, and the measures FAM has undertaken since the beginning of this process. Now I go to the chronology of events. At the end of 2024, FAM initiated a structured strategy to identify and review the eligibility of players with ancestral Malaysian roots who could strengthen the national team. During this time, many agents and players approached FAM, and even a former Malaysian club owner facilitated introductions with several representatives. This initiative formed part of a broader effort to raise the competitiveness of Malaysian football. During the same period, Coach Peter Klamowski was appointed on 16 December 2024, and Mr. Rock Fran joined as CEO on 30th December 2024. Both key appointments under our National Football Reform Plan. January to June 2025, many agents submitted documents of players to FAM for administrative review. After FAM had done initial necessary checking and selection, FAM forwarded the documents for verification with the relevant ministries. The government subsequently verified and issued letters instructing the players to complete entry permit and registration procedures, followed by My Card issuance as part of Malaysia's lawful naturalization process. Citizenship completion. The players were requested to visit the JPN offices to complete citizenship and My Card issuance. Upon receiving their My Cards, the players then applied for Malaysian passports. These steps were conducted entirely under the Malaysian law, and all relevant government agencies, KDN and JPN, have since confirmed the due process that followed. Once the players received their passports, FAM wrote to JPM to obtain confirmation of ancestral lineage documentation. FAM need to submit the eligibility documentation to FIFA to obtain approval of the players. FAM had to rush submissions to meet the deadlines of registration. And in this submission process, technical error occurred in documentation which was overlooked at that point of time. FIFA subsequently approved the players' eligibility to represent Malaysia. On 11 June 2025, a complaint was lodged by a Vietnamese individual questioning the authenticity of the documentation. FIFA subsequently initiated an investigation into the matter. August to October 25, FIFA proceedings. 22nd August, FIFA wrote to FAM informing that FIFA are opening disciplinary proceedings. 26 September, FIFA announced sanctions, a fine of Swiss franc 350,000 and a 12-month suspension for the 7 players. Players were fined Swiss franc 2,000 each. 6 October, FAM received the grounds of decision from FIFA. 7th October, FAM confirmed its intention to appeal and began preparing the submission. 14th October, FAM officially submitted its appeal to FIFA. Current status. The appeal has been officially lodged with FIFA, and we now await the next stage of process. FAM maintains that these players were lawfully naturalized in accordance with Malaysian law. FAM will appoint an independent administrative and governance committee to avoid any further similar issues and align with the highest standards of international football. The General Secretary of FAM will be suspended from duty effective today, pending further investigations in order to allow an independent committee to carry out the exercise. Thank you. Okay. We will continue to work closely with KDN, JPN and KBS and have an engaged, experienced legal counsel in FIFA and CAS matters to ensure that our position is robustly defended. Our lawyer, Mr. Saj Vitos, will elaborate on the legal aspects shortly.
The situation procedurally now is that the decision was issued on 26th of September 2025. On 14 October, so within the prescribed deadline, we filed an appeal. We have learned today that the decision would be issued on 30 October 2025 by the appeal committee. So the decision will be taken on 30 October and most likely notified to the parties either the same day or a few days later. So after this decision from the appeal committee, if the players or FM are not satisfied with the decision, they may still appeal to CAS, which will take some other time to be resolved. So this is about the procedure. About the substance, I will not talk too much about the substance because this is an ongoing appeal case, but the primary objective of FAM in this appeal is to protect the players and to make FIFA understand that the players didn't have to do with anything in this case. And the second objective is to make FIFA understand that FAM as an institution didn't have any implication on any forgery, which is the violation that is put forward by FIFA. So the FAM as an institution didn't have anything to do with it. And so the objective is to have the sanction of the players annual, but also the sanction for the FAM annual. Thank you.